Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to refund money on Venmo. Refunding in Venmo is a relatively straightforward process. Whether you need to refund a payment or request a refund, here are the step-by-step instructions to follow. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the payment you wish to refund. You can do this by navigating to your transaction history or searching for the specific payment. Then tap on the payment to open the payment details. Within the payment details, you will find the option to refund. Tap on this option to proceed with the refund process. Now, choose the reason for the refund. Venmo provides predefined options such as items not received or cancel order. After that, select the most appropriate reason for the refund. Review the refund details and make sure everything is accurate. Pay close attention to the amount being refunded and the account being refunded to. Once you have reviewed and confirmed the refund details, tap on the refund button to initiate the refund process. Venmo will process the refund and transfer the funds back to the original payment method used. Keep track of the refund progress by checking your transaction history for updates. Venmo will provide updates on the status of the refund. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.